Hello, you beautiful people. How you doing here today? This is Lava Temptress, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi. So today we're going to be talking about another humble bundle. This one is a software bundle, and this one is, well, quite a bit different. It's all about Python development, which is very popular, especially for beginners to learn to program things, because it's a very from what I understand, a very easy programming language to learn. But this one is a little bit different. As you see, we don't have a real dollar amount here. We just have that it includes 20 items, supports charity, and, you know, how many bundles are sold. Why is it so different? Because these are actual training programs over on Pluralsight, which is a website to learn with classes. They don't have individual prices for each of their classes. The way it works is you purchase a membership to their site. So let's start with that. So first of all, we have a $1 tier where you get 4. The pay more than the average tier, which is $19.42 at the time of recording, but pay more than the average does change. Of course, it's based off what the average person is paying. This one includes 6 more. And then we have tier 3 is $20, and this includes 10 more. So hence the 20. So for $20, you're going to get all this stuff if you choose to purchase the top bundle. But what would it normally cost before we get into everything included? Well, here's what I found out for you. For Pluralsight, the membership is normally $299 a year for individual, or you can do $29 a month for standard or $45 a month for premium. Now, you can also do the yearly, which is $499 a year for premium. It's $500. Now, they do have a free trial available. So if you want to check that out, easiest way to get to it is click on one of these and click on Pluralsight right here. It will take you to this page here where you can actually see what is included in each course. If you want to get a better description, you can see what the author, the teacher, if you will, looks like, and how much is included in all this. But there is a free 10-day trial if you want to try this out, if purchasing the bundle is not something you're interested in. All right, but let's get back to what is in the bundle. All right, so we're back on the Humble Bundle page. And so we're going to take a look. If you need to come back for any reason, though, don't forget to hit that reminder bell, because it'll send you an email before the bundle is up reminding you to come take a look at it. Trust me, that has saved my butt so many times when it was a bundle I wanted and I just forgot to go purchase it. Yeah. All right, so let's get started. First of all, we have Getting Started with Python or SQL on SQL Server by Gerald Britton. Now that's the guy that we saw, because this is the one that I clicked on the link. You can, of course, read a little bit here. There's nothing really to click here to give you any indication of what it is. So if you want to see what these are, whether it's going to be worth your money, I honestly recommend each of these have this little where you can click here to go. It'll take you directly to their course if you want to see if it's going to be worth your money. Honestly, I think they're worth the money, period, because if you know anything about programming courses, they're usually very expensive, even just for one class. You're talking $20 up to, you know, $150, $200 sometimes. So I definitely think the whole bundle is worth it. Even the top one being at $20, because you get 20 different courses. So this one, for just $1, you're going to get 4 different courses. And they look like they're pretty in-depth courses. They don't look like they're, you know, here's an hour, here's how you do everything. But again, take a look at it, see what you think. All right, so next we have Building Knowledge Graphs with Python by Andrei Putineo. Yeah, we're not going to say the names because I'm going to screw all these up, but below here in the yellow is their names. So we're just going to go over the topics. So next we have AWS infrastructure with Python. AWS, of course, is very, very popular, very important to learn if you're going to learn programming. So this is a very good one getting started. And then we have cleaning data, Python data playbook. So there you go. These four for just $1. Now, of course, if you purchase the pay more than the average tier, you're going to get 6 more. And you're going to do the pay more than average. Here's my thing. Right now it's at $19.42 because it's based off what the average people are paying. Honestly, pay 50 cents more, 60 cents more, almost 60 cents. You know what I mean? Pay that and just get the full bundle. Honestly, I wouldn't bother with the pay more than the average because it's already up to almost 20 bucks anyway. So I honestly recommend purchasing the top tier unless you're just going to do the $1 one and get these 4, which is fine. You can purchase whatever you want. But at this point, I really don't recommend doing the middle one because why? With this one, you're going to get 10 more and it's definitely going to be worth it. Of course, the nice thing about the bundle is once you purchase these, like these are yours. So you don't have to keep paying for them, which is nice. All right, but this includes importing data, Python data playbook, Python for Salesforce developers, web scraping, Python data playbook, unit testing with Python, mining data from time series, and working with graph algorithms in Python. And again, I recommend getting the top tier versus the middle one. But of course, you're free to do whatever you want. All right, so this one adds 10 more, which includes Python for data analysis, core Python, functions and functional programming, Python best practices for code quality, best automation with Python getting started, Django fundamentals, design patterns with Python, building your first Python analytics solution, understanding machine learning with Python, getting started with data analysis using Python, and functional programming with Python. So talk about a complete Python learn bundle for 20 bucks. And of course, as always, Humble supports a charity. So this one is Girls Who Code, which Girls Who Code aims to support and increase the number of women in computer science by equipping young women with the necessary computer skills to pursue 21st century opportunities. It also includes, you can choose from code.org, which aims to encourage people, particularly school students in the United States, to learn computer science. Also, it supports a charity of your choosing. The standard one for this month is Active Minds, but you can always select a different one. All right, so we're going to go down here to purchase. Now, this is important to keep in mind. So, honestly, purchase the $1 tier. Maybe that's all you can afford. Maybe that's all you want, whatever. I don't recommend the middle one, like I said. So, I would do the 21 at least, because that's going to get you everything in the bundle. All right, but you can, if you want the $1 one because it doesn't show, you can just pop it in there. It will pop up warning saying unless you add so much more, you're not going to get the information in that tier. So that's completely up to you. Don't let this fool you though. You can still purchase whatever you want. Now this add to cart is only for the Humble choice, and you do not have to have that in order to purchase any of the Humble bundles. What the Humble choice is a monthly gaming subscription plan where you get about 12 games a month for approximately $12. It does fluctuate, but whatever price you're at, you do get locked in. I think right now they're actually running a special where it's only $9 a month. So if you're interested, you might want to check it out. To see what's in the choice, there is this tab here. I also have a video on it. and then a full review on each game based off the first 30 minutes. All right, here's where you can choose where your money goes, which is where the charities come in hand. So if you have a certain charity that you prefer, you can always choose to pay everything to that charity. You can choose to give more to Pluralsight, Humble, whatever it is you wish. Or you can, make it even. Tons of different things you can do, which is what makes it so fabulous. I do have my link down below, and if you use that, it does give me a little bit of money, so thank you for that, but you don't have to do that. You can go to humblebundle.com and click on the bundles. It'll show like that. If you click on the bundles, then you can go purchase any bundle you want. All right. But how do we purchase? Well, if you want to give it as a gift, click there, put their email in there, click there if you want it anonymous because it's kind of fun. And here is where you're going to pay. So click everyone you want if you're going to play with a card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And that's it. I think this is a fabulous bundle, but keep in mind this. Because what it's saying is, if you purchase the $1 one and later you want to come back and purchase the $20 one, that's not going to be able to. You can only do one purchase for this time. So if you want the $20 tier, wait until you have that $20 to purchase that one. All right, that is it for this. If you enjoy content like this and much of the other content on our page, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you can see when the new videos come out. I do try to cover all the Humble bundles. All right, that's it for today. Hopefully you like this. Let me know what you think. Leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned. Bye.